Let's study 9th standard ICSE English Literature, Poem 4, After Blenheim, a poem by Robert Southey. Let me give you a background about the Battle of Blenheim. During the War of the Spanish Succession in the earlier half of the 18th century, a French prince had acceded to the Spanish throne, which was thought to be unjust by some. So the Prince Eugene from Austria, who was originally from France, and Duke Marlborough of England, they joined forces to battle against the French army. Now, various parts of Europe participated in this war. Some supported this ally and some supported this. In the end, the Duke of Marlborough and Prince Eugene won against France. And so they became heroes, and England celebrated the victory, the great victory. Cut to the present in the poem. There's an elderly farmer named Caspar. His grandson Peterkin and granddaughter Wilhelmine are playing in the field outside their small cottage. And Peterkin finds a skull. So both of them take the skull to Caspar and they inquire about it. Kids, as you know, are very inquisitive about things. Caspar gave a sigh, was a bit sad, and then he said that it must be of some poor person who must have died during the Battle of Blenheim. And he reveals that he had found dozens of such skulls in the field while ploughing, because he's aware that thousands of people had died during that Battle of Blenheim. When the kids ask him about the purpose of the war, he doesn't know the reason why the war was fought. All he knows that it was a famous victory. And why was it famous? Because England defeated France. You see, the governments or the rulers, they brainwash the common citizens into believing that war is useful, without revealing the fact that many pregnant women, innocent people, are killed during unnecessary wars. Because of the ego battle of a few powerful men, innocent people have to die. So in a way, this is an anti-war poem, which the readers have to understand through the story of these three characters. Caspar goes on to say that Duke of Marlborough and Prince Eugene were heroes, it was a popular victory, but the kids who have not yet been brainwashed by the government find that it was a very wicked thing for them to participate in this war, and which resulted in the loss of so many lives. Caspar admits that he also had witnessed the loss, because his father's house was also burnt during the Battle of Blenheim, and his father had to escape from that place with his wife and his kid. Probably that kid is Caspar himself, but that's not very clearly mentioned in the poem. So these grandchildren are quite surprised to see that Caspar is continuously saying it was a great victory. And this is the poet's style. By making Caspar repeat the words, it was a great victory, he's creating an ironic environment here, suggesting the exact opposite. Caspar seems to be foolish. He's just parroting the words, it was a great victory, without understanding the cause behind it, the benefits of the war. This is what happens with common people as well. They are totally blinded by such Pyrrhic victory. Caspar just suggests that people die during war, it's collateral damage. We have to accept it and move on, but the children refuse to accept it. So, through the eyes of the children, it becomes very clear that the message of the poem is that war should be avoided at all costs.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.